So it's officially the rainy season here in Florida, and my Camaro is not ready. Now, if you're wondering why it's not ready, there's a couple of very simple reasons why it's not. First of all, these windshield wipers are absolutely done for. Now, I gotta give it to them. They have lasted for 6 years and they performed well for most of that. So I'm going to go ahead and replace them with the OEM AC Delco ones. However, you could just get Rain-X or any other brand that you like. It's not necessarily the most critical component, but in climates like Florida, you probably want a good set that's going to last a couple seasons. Now, the other reason that my car is not ready for the rainy season is simply because I am out of windshield washer fluid. Now, this car drinks a lot of windshield washer fluid. As you can see, this is a 1-gallon container that I used last time, and the car took most of it. So I'm going to pour what's left of this and then add that. With those two things done, my car should be ready to roll and deal with the Florida rainstorms, which start every day around 3 p.m. by the way, and can continue until whenever. You'll find the washer reservoir at the passenger side of the engine bay towards the back, right behind the strut tower. So let's go ahead and pop that open and pour this in, and you'll see it drinks a whole lot of fluid before it's actually full. So let's do this. Container 1. It's done. Let's pour the next one in. Alright, may have overdone it there, but not the end of the world. That is as full can be, which is fine because the amount of random muck that's going to be getting on my windshield, a little extra never hurt anyone. So I was wondering why it seemed to be taking in more fluid than last time. Wasn't paying enough attention and clearly added a little extra. I'll just lightly hose that off, and this part of the project is done. Now, as far as the windshield wipers go, based off what I saw on rockauto.com, there are actually 2 part numbers. So the left side one is the 3732 and the passenger side one is the 859. So you might want to keep that in mind. There are actually 2 separate part numbers. As far as installing them goes, this should be pretty straightforward. I'll show you how it goes right now. So I want to say driver's side one is slightly longer than the passenger side. That's why they're different. Now, we'll take our new one. You see that it has this little clip in there. So we kind of want to turn this, pop this guy in here. Alright. Pull this back and then clip it in. And that one's installed. Do the same thing for the other side. So, now we know, undo this clip first. Right. You can just slide this guy off. Alright, we have our new one. We lift this part, which is what locks it in. Slide this guy over. Pop the clip. There we go. Brand new windshield wipers installed. Alright, so with everything done, let's go ahead and just give it a quick test. Yep. Fluid's coming out no problems, and as you can see, wipers are gliding across the glass nice and smooth. My other ones definitely weren't doing that. That is working exactly how I want to, and with that, this project is done and my car is ready for the torrential downpours that I'm going to be facing in the next couple months. It's a pretty simple maintenance video. If you guys have enjoyed it, you want to see more like it, if you got any benefit from it, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I post up another one. If you have any feedback or any questions, feel free to leave that in the comments section. And as always, thank you guys for watching.